I'm here with the winner between the Martin Skunksy Wing and Alan Gascoon game. Martin, congratulations on winning your game 3-2. Incredibly tight. What do you make of the game that you've just played?
Yeah, it was so close. Hey, it could have gone either way. I think the Major did get quite unlucky with the unstable portals against. I can't even remember what I played against the Paladin. So taking the chance with the Millhouse there and him having the lone hands, I was quite upset. But it was the risk. I knew the risk, and I took it, and it didn't pay off. But yeah, it was super tight, and I do think his lineup was much better against what I had brought. It was a really tough lineup for me, but yeah, the game went good, and I'm happy I won. Just.
It was actually a very tight game. At the end, the last final game between the Druid and Priest matchup, your beginning hand was incredible. Drawing the Wild Growth in your starting hand, you know, your next turn being able to play the second Wild Growth as well, you eventually started to mana curve. You had the Ancient of Law in your hand, you can continue drawing. It just seemed to go for you in that game. It was a little bit of a tit for tat at a stage, but in the end, actually working out for you.
Yeah, look, in my experience, the Priest is actually favored in that matchup, especially when you run Cabals and Shrinkmeister. Now you can Shrinkmeister any four attack creature like my Bear, you know, a Shredder, and that tempo swing is so hard for the Druid to come back. So I knew I needed the ramp, I needed to get ahead, so luckily I had it in my opening hand, I drew it, and I just ramped and drew with my laws, and you know, just spiraled out of control, and I won the game. So yeah, I was happy with that.
Yeah, really well played by both of you guys. Hard luck to Alan, he played incredibly well. His lineup did seem a little bit more favoured, however, again, Hearthstone, nicknamed Casino Stone, this is just kind of what happens. Anyways, congratulations and good luck for the rest of the tournament.
Thank you very much.